Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your code on Twitch. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem code on Twitch, firstly open your Google search. Type in twitch.tv/redeem and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on Login option. Log into your Twitch account by entering your username and password associated with Twitch. Now to redeem your Twitch code, enter your code in the box and click on Redeem. This is how you can redeem your code on Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.